Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Etsy to Brevo so that your Etsy buyers or leads automatically sync into your Brevo lists, even though there is no native direct integration. So you will need to use Zapier. Okay, so as I told you, we'll use Zapier as a bridge between Etsy and Brevo. So at first, you will need to create an account or to log in to your Etsy, to your Brevo, and to your Zapier account. And all you need to do is to get then the API key on or from your Brevo. And to do that, you will need to log in as I told you, and then just go with the gear icon at the top of the website. And here, you will need to go with the left hand menu under the organization settings and go with SMTP and API, and then all you need to do is to go with the API keys and MCP, and then just go ahead and copy the API so you can get the PHP or Python, so that's up to you. And after then you will need to build the Zap. So go back to Zapier and right here just click on the Zap option at the home section or tab. So go with Zap, and that's where you can, or here where you can create a Zap. Then just go with trigger right here and look for Etsy, and then just select Etsy and sign in with your account. And after that, go with action right here and then look for Brevo. Okay, so that's one, and just click it, and after that you will need to choose the action events. Okay, add or update contacts, add contact to list, etc. And then just go with sign in, connect your Brevo account using the API key you copied. And after that, just go with test run and then publish to turn it on. And afterward, the Etsy info flows into Brevo automatically. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.